Hi, readers. Today we're going to continue to study author's purpose. Last week, we studied how authors write to answer questions for readers. And this week, we're going to talk about how authors describe something. Does the author use details to describe an object or event? I'm going to read this passage for you. The picture at the bottom is of a shark and a remora fish, and we're going to learn about those two animals working together. The remora fish is a small fish that has a relationship with sharks. These two animals have a symbiotic relationship, which means they both benefit or help each other. The remora fish cleans the shark and eats the parasites off of it. It gets to eat the shark's leftovers and doesn't get eaten by vicious predators. The shark won't eat the remora fish because it likes to stay clean. So we're going to circle the correct answer. The first choice is, and we're talking about author's purpose. Why did the author write this story? To answer how remora fish help sharks, we did learn that it keeps the shark clean, but I think the author is giving us more information and describing more than just keeping the shark clean, because the shark also helps the remora fish. The next choice, to describe how sharks and remora fish have a relationship. They did give a lot of details about that. For example, they talked about how they have a symbiotic relationship, which means they both benefit from each other, they both help each other. We learned that the remora keeps the shark clean, and the shark doesn't eat the remora because it likes to stay clean. So they are giving us a lot of description about the shark and the remora's relationship. So I'm thinking it could be this one. I'm going to put a little yellow dot there. And then the last one, to explain the steps of a symbiotic relationship. Well, they did explain that they help each other, but when you are talking about explaining, often you're going to see the keywords first, next, then, after, finally, and I didn't see any of those words in this. So the answer to this author's purpose is to describe how sharks and remora fish have a relationship. You are going to try to do the same thing to discover the author's purpose for writing this text. You can tap the arrow to play, or you can read it on your own, and then you're going to circle or highlight the author's purpose down at the bottom.